Osmosis is the movement of water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane, like a cell membrane, from an area of high water concentration to an area of low water concentration without the use of energy. Now, what does water concentration mean? Water concentration refers to the amount of water molecules present in a given volume of a solution. So if we start with 10 milliliters of water and 2 grams of salt, then the percentage of solute becomes 20. But if we add 4 grams of salt with 10 milliliters of water, then the percentage will become 40. So if we compare both the cases, then the concentration of water will be more in the first case as compared to second one. This happens because in second case, water has to share space with more solute particles. Now, let's take some examples and understand osmosis a little better. When a cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, the cell swells, and sometimes it even bursts if too much water enters. A hypotonic solution is a solution that has a lower concentration of solutes and a higher concentration of water compared to the inside of a cell. When the cell is placed in the solution, the water enters the cell from the solution. If the water concentration difference in the cell and outside the cell is too large, the water enters into the cell so fast that the cell bursts. In other cases, when the cell is placed in a hypertonic solution where the concentration of water is less compared to the inside of the cell, like, for example, a cell placed in salty water has more water inside than outside. In this case, water moves from inside of the cell to outside, and the cell shrinks and becomes dehydrated. Drinking ocean water is a real-life example of a hypertonic solution affecting your cells. There is also a case of isotonic solution where the water concentration is the same inside and outside the cell. In this case, water moves in and out at the same rate, and the cell stays healthy and stable. That's it for this video. If you want to learn about diffusion or facilitated diffusion, here are some videos.